Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Polar Power Inc. So the last time I have discussed this stock in the month of October. Since then, as you can see, the stock is probably up by 30%. Actually it went up by 60% as well. But the most important thing is there is an increased amount of volatility which we have seen in this particular stock, and specifically when we are looking at a weekly chart. So obviously if this kind of volatility has been seen in the longer term time frame chart, so it does make a substantial amount of difference. So we are going to discuss about that. So it would be better if we you know uh, trade inside the range. So as you can see here, this is the upper end of the range at $6.50. Okay, so this is pretty much clear that it has 6.6 on the upper side, and on the lower side we have something like these. Okay, so yeah, here we have. Okay, so as you can see, the trend is simple but with lots of volatility. So if one level does not hold, then obviously one need to look out for the next level, which is far below from the current level. So whether it is on the upside or on the downside, it doesn't matter. Okay, so here you have the trend. So let me just okay, so this would be fine. So as you can see, the way the stock is moving, so basically it is trading above 3.25, which was the resistance. Now it will be acting as a support, so your immediate support will come at 3.2. but if this level breaks on the downside, you will have your next support at 2.2, followed by 1.4, and the lower end of the range is 0.96. So as you can see, there is a dollar difference between one level to another level, so one must be very much aware about these kind of things. On the upside, you will simply have two levels. So you have your first target at $4 and you will have your next big target at 6.6. so we are not going to go beyond 6.6 for the simple reason that it is indeed a big resistance and there will be a supply side. And as you can see, the stock has been trading in between $4 and $6 for from 2017 to 2019, so it does have an impact. So let the stock decide, then we will change our view accordingly. But for the time being, you have lots of volatility in this particular calendar year, and once the volatility resides, then we are going to discuss about the next trend. For the time being, you have these levels which you can see, and it would be better if you use strict stop losses. Otherwise, if you know how to trade with the volatility, that's a different thing, that's a different skill set itself. But if you don't know how to deal with that, better to step aside. Or if you indeed want to enter into this kind of trade and knowing that there will be volatility, so you must use strict stop losses. You may sometime lose a little bit of money, but it will save you from much more losses. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.